Hi there, it's Peter Herku here. I hope you can see me. If you don't know me, my name is Peter Herku and I'm specialized in helping companies and teams to improve their effectiveness and efficiencies. If you want to learn more about this, please go to herku.com/CIG, herku.com/CIG, and you can sign up for a webinar where I can explain more on how you can improve your effectiveness. For now, I would like to tell you that my clients come to me and asking me if they can use improvement method like Lean or Six Sigma in their own situation, whether they work in healthcare, like I'm here at a healthcare company, or they work in automotive industry, the manufacturing industry or service industry, IT. They don't know if Lean Six Sigma can help them. I would like to demonstrate to you now that it's not important where you work or with the industry you work, or even in which function you work, because the basic principles apply even in a meeting. Yesterday I had a meeting, for example, at a healthcare company, and it was a discussion about a new function that we created called quality coaches. They are healthcare specialists who have a team of healthcare professionals, and those quality coaches are responsible for the quality and the safety of the patient. But these people, they are new in the function and they have really problems, and they don't really they are not satisfied with their job, and they are actually the bottleneck in improving the whole organization. So we had a meeting first with the CEO, then there was another organization HR manager, and then I was invited to join the discussion, and another process professional was also joining us, and we had a long meeting about this problem. It was not effective at all. So that's why I thought, okay, I have to tell you about how to do it effectively, because even myself make mistakes and not using the effective Lean Six Sigma tools to solve these kind of issues. So how can you do this? How can you avoid long meetings? Probably you all know it. How can you avoid wasting time? And how can you avoid that you are not solving really issues, really problems? So first of all, what you should do, what I had to do yesterday, is with the people in a meeting agree on, is this a real problem? Is this an issue that is causing many other bottlenecks and problems in the organization and in the process? Is this really a priority? If the answer is yes, yesterday it was clear, it was a big priority, then you can move to the next step. By the way, if you want to learn how to use Lean Six Sigma in your meetings to make it more effective, I want to show it to you in a webinar at herku.com/CIG, herku.com/CIG. So the second step, first agree on this is a real issue, this is a priority. Secondly, you ask together whether all people involved are present. And I don't mean that you should invite in a meeting every quality coach in this example, no. but is there at least one quality coach who can represent the group, who can bring their knowledge and their experience into the meeting? If you realize in the meeting that you are talking about a third party, you are talking about someone else who is not present, and those people or that function is really crucial, you should first agree on a new team. So what I had to do, what I should have done yesterday, because we had a meeting about someone else who was not present, a function quality coach, and they were not present in our discussion, although they know from first hand what they experience, what the problems they have. So I didn't have a complete team. So you should stop there with the meeting. You stop there with the discussion, and first agree on a new team and invite that new team. So first, is the priority problem? Yes, it is. Do we have the right team present? So everyone who is affected by this problem, is it in a team present? No. First, formulate the team, get the team together. So that's the second step. Third, apply the easy to use Lean Six Sigma method to define the problem, to measure how big the problem is, and to analyze the reasons why you have this problem, why you have the performance not at the level that you wish to have, and then agree on countermeasures together. So that's the third step. Apply the method with your new team. Don't try to solve it without the right people at the table, and don't try to come up with some ideas, some possible solutions, because you are just wasting time. That's what I had yesterday. Quality coach was not present, critical, and we tried to find solutions to a problem that was not even clear yet. So what's the chance that you find the right solution? So 3 steps to make your meetings more effective. First, do we have a critical issue here? Is it a priority problem? Second, do we have the right team present? Third, do we apply the right steps from Lean Six Sigma? If you want to learn more about the steps of Lean Six Sigma and easy to use tools, I made Lean Six Sigma easier than normal, because I reduced it to its core essence, and I only apply 20% of the tools, 20% of the methodology that can solve 80% of the problems, and I have this experience already for 12 years now. So if you want to learn that as well, and not wasting time with ineffective meetings, go to herku.com/CIG. herku.com/CIG. So again, make your meetings more effective. Is it a priority? Get your focus only on the priority problems. Secondly, have the right people at the table, those who are involved with the problem and in the problem. And third, apply the steps with your team of Lean Six Sigma to define the problem, measure it, analyze it, and improve it. So again, go to herku.com/CIG to learn more. Thank you.